Hello everyone, today I'm working on this Civic SI. So I'm gonna want to do a wheel swap on this. This is a green light. So these wheels are already pretty cool to start with. I just want to put my own custom wheels because I've had this car for a while and I'd like a change. So these are pretty easy. I don't have to pop the rivets here. I can just force the wheels out with my screwdriver. Now that's going to take a little bit of a while, so I'm going to do it off camera. So once you have it loose, it's actually very easy. They just come right out, and then the other side comes out. Now I'm ready to put on my new wheels. Guaranteed I'm going to use these wheels for another project. Now I've got my new custom wheels to try out. I've got a couple of styles, but I'll start with these. This is the style that I like the BBS wheels. So I might tweak the axles a little bit. If I find the axles are too long, I'll trim them down with my Dremel. But let's see how they fit right out of the box. So yes, I'm gonna have to trim it down considerably, but I'll do it. I'll just take my Dremel and I'll trim down the axles. This is the final. What do you think? Did it improve the car? I'm pretty pleased with that. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.